The name is Wonder Boy. That means I wander away and I plant a lot of stuff and I raise a lot of animals. Some people live life many different ways. But I'm going to give you my experience. I'm going to share my experience with you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Boy Bull Farm. And today we're feeding all these cows. We're getting hay because it's kind of winter. So we got to feed them on hay. So, but I feed them on peanut hay mixed with cow stock. That's the best hay we have. So quality hay. This is 22%. Hey. So I give them roll off this for the weekend. And they heat it down to do everything. They like the hay, come like a milk inside there. Because you got the vitamin and everything inside there. And see, my soldiers, them right here. These four is my guard dogs. Come here. This is all my guard dogs right here. This one is Big Boy, this is one is Sierra, and that one is Lily. We're going to show you the activity today. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Touch that notification button. Ask for more Wonder Boy. Follow me and YouTube. Because this channel is going to grow. This is how we do it when we are on the farm. Because we got to feed these animals, and if you don't feed them good, you don't get a good result out of them. They're all pregnant. So if you feed them healthy, you get a healthy offspring. So they're going to drop down to about 28 degrees tonight. So you got to make sure you secure all your stocks, take them out of the weather, and let them sleep comfortable like you. You know, so this is what the routine I'm doing today. So I want you all to come along with the journey, and I want you all to share it with your friends and family. So you need more than Wonder Boy, because Wonder Boy have a lot of different things going to push out to you people. You're going to enjoy it, and it's all the way of life, how you live life. So I basically want you to follow me. You know? So I'm just going to the hay barn now to get me some more hay and to take to the field, to the cows there. Ladies and gentlemen, I still bringing aid to the animals them. I don't have to feed them I don't have to feed them for the rest of the week, so I threw 3 or 4 bales rolls in the pen. They weigh about 700 to 800 pounds. So they're good for the rest of the week. If you don't feed the animals them right, then you ain't gonna get nothing out of them. You gotta treat them like how you treat yourself. If you don't make up your mind to go in and feed them and make sure they're healthy, make sure them, you know, worm them once a year. So the way I worm my animals, I worm them. If I worm them today, I give them 2 weeks and I worm them again. And therefore you don't have to worm them for the rest of the year. Them is not animals who are hard to take care of like goats. They love it. So I'm gonna roll off this one. That's 4 months old calf right there. See them, all these is 4 months old calf. So I ain't gonna take this to the market this year. I'm building my stock. When I get up to 100 cows, then I start to take to the market. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I done with the cows then. They got their water, they got their grass, they got their salt. So now I'm heading on to check on some more goats, which they into the peanut field eating. These goats just eat what they want, you know, they just roam and eat what they want. They start to have babies, and sometimes when they go in the field, they have babies. But what I usually do, I usually see the one them that soon a baby and take them out of the herd 2 weeks before. But some of them, sometimes they don't spring down at the same times. And when you come, you maybe see 1 and 2 babies into the pen that you never expect that mother to drop. So that's why it's very important, if you don't live on spot, try to visit it. If it's not once a day, every other day. The reason why I can stay out so long, I got the dog, them here, and there's nobody stealing nothing here. So and as you see, that's all peanut hay for them. Look at it. This is all 22%. Just look. When they eat, it's like you give them chocolate and milk together. Look at them in the field. Look at them, ladies and gentlemen. Just look at them. And you see the dogs them with them. You see all the dogs them with them. Look at them. They're all pregnant. But they into this peanut field. And it is coming like a candy. We have all this grass, so when they're ready, they come and eat, and they go back to the barn. So this is all what they feeding on. This is our next group of goats. This is Nubian, you see? This is my Nubian. And this is a La Mancha female. See him right here? And this is one of those milking goats. See the next one over there? They milk these for milk and make and get it. When they are babies, their breast is like this. Full breast. But I cross them with the boar and you get a good stocky meat goats. So right now I'm just keeping and I'm breeding. This is not all the goats, this is just a section of them. This is the last set supposed to have babies. You like this one soon have babies, so I'll lock away these two.